Hi everybody, this is Greg Luczak with Luczak Real Estate and Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage. Today I have another special home listing tour for you. The property I'm at today is 5103 Pioneer Mesa Drive. This is a really nice home located in the Wagon Trails subdivision. This area is known for its community parks, which the park is right over there. It's also got a fantastic community swimming pool and a very reasonable HOA. There are walking trails that run throughout the area that all kind of lead and congregate to that community swimming pool that's great for the kids and all the family for sure. This property is over 1,700 square feet finished. It's nearly 2,200 square feet total. You've got an unfinished partial basement as well there. You've got a fantastic 2-car garage. It's gonna be listed at $295,000, so it's a great value for the neighborhood. It's really well kept, and it's got a lot of great interior touches and finishes. It's just a really good looking house with a really great floor plan. Again, this is 5103 Pioneer Mesa. Let's take a closer look. Now, when you enter this home, you're greeted immediately by a fantastic formal living room, open space here with double height ceilings. You notice immediately the beautiful laminate wood floors that are just installed. These are brand new, and some great contemporary colors and beautiful white molding that runs throughout the property. As you follow through the formal living room, you come in here to kind of the heart of the home where I'm at right now. You've got a big kitchen with a great cabinet space, great counter space, and a nice wide open kitchen that's open to the dining room, which is open to that family room. The family room's got a ceiling fan, tile-clad gas fireplace, some built-in entertainment nooks. Is really nicely done. Really, this whole area flows extremely well. The dining area walks out to the backyard. You've got a big extended composite patio, an oversized large storage shed. The property has AC, beautiful landscaping, a lot of lush foliage back there, great landscaping, a lot of privacy, and a really nice backyard to hang out for sure. The upper level has 3 bedrooms plus a loft. So as you first go up to the upper level, you notice a big secondary family room, which is a great loft area up there. You've also got 3 bedrooms, including a really generous master that has a walk-in closet, and an attached full bath. It's really nicely done. The master's got great space, and the other secondary bedrooms have excellent space as well. Again, you've got over 1,700 finished square feet, and you've got an unfinished basement down there as well that takes you to nearly 2,200 square feet total. Like with all my homes, this home does come with a 14-month home warranty transferable to the buyer upon closing. So not only do you get a great property in excellent condition in a great neighborhood, Wagon Trails, but you get that home warranty that gives you peace of mind as well. If you'd like more information on 5103 Pioneer Mesa Drive, please visit my website, www.makespringshome.com. Or if you'd like a private tour of this home, please give me a call directly at 719-271-8888. Thanks so much.